How to archive and manage archived chats in ChatGPT. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll quickly guide you how you can archive and manage all the archived chats in ChatGPT. So to archive any particular chat, simply click onto your recent chats and select that particular chat that you wish to archive. So for example, let's say I wish to archive this particular chat. I will simply click onto these three dots, and then from here I will choose the archive option at the second last. Once I click onto this particular chat will be successfully archived. If not, check your internet connection and you will see that the chat will be archived in no time. Then to manage archived chats, click onto your profile picture, go to the settings option, go to the data controls, and you will see this archive chats option, and click onto this manage button, and from here you will see all of the archived chats that you currently have. You can wish to unarchive them or delete them as per your own need. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.